I'm being a little bit sneaky here because I'm part of a Facebook group. No, that's not the sneaky bit. The Facebook group is YouTube Cafe for Christian creators. And in this group, Trent and Roy had a question. Which thumbnail is better? Would you click on this one or this one? Now, I think I can do this a little bit sneaky. I'm not going to tell him, but I'm going to make a few adjustments. Let's give it a go. Great title. And they're great images. I am all about supporting Christian creators, making not just great thumbnails, but making them better. Now, this thumbnail is from VictoryNEXTgen. Now, it's a premiere. And again, I'm doing this a little bit sneaky. Trent and Roy, I'm assuming this is his kids and this is his channel. So if we have a look at this thumbnail, you know what? It's good. They look like they're enjoying not listening to their parents. So we're going to go with this one. But how do we make it better? Now, I have two ways of making thumbnails better. Let's do 2 halves or in thirds. And I think if we can go with thirds, and if we can make this really simple, it'll make it so much easier. As I said, I really love the photos of this one, but I want to make them bigger. Now, I'm using the program PIXLR. It is free. You can use Photoshop if you want, but it's complicated, it's expensive, and it's got a learning curve. You don't want that. This learning curve is quite simple. There's PIXLR E and there's PIXLR X, but I like using E because I can have a bit more control. But all right, let's open this image. We're just going to take away the background. That's all we're going to do. Already off the bat is quite good. So just to fine tune this a little bit, let's click on keep, make the size a little bit bigger with the brush. And we'll just add in, that is perfect. All right, so let's download that. Beautiful. I bring in this other image. Now, as I said, I just want to make this quite simple. I'm just going to do it to the thirds. Now, if we just lock that into place, and let's just see what we can do with this. The fact is, they're both looking both ways. That's great, but if we, one image, who do we want on? I reckon that side and that side. That's looking good. Okay. Let's enlarge this. Whoop. And this one on the other third. There are some things we can take out. Magic brush. Click on magic. We've got on remove from mask. And if we just click on that, look at that. It's pretty much gone. And just tweak that. And a bit more. Oh, I see. Look at that. And you know what? I think that these faces can go a little bit more. Oh, look at that. Okay, that is looking pretty cheeky. Do you think these boys are listening to their parents? Don't think so. Now for a bit of background. Now they've got the blue background. Okay, blue background. Let's put some blue in. Now the problem is with this blue, we lose a lot of definition. So if we go back to what we had before, there's a lot of definition and there's a lot of color in their faces and it looks so much better. So I really like dark. Oh, that's a nice color. Yeah. Okay, now they could be a little, let's just take their ears off. Not in real life, but we're just keeping it simple. Sharpen these up because the images weren't really, they were a bit small and I've just got them second hand. So yeah, that's better. Okay. Now that's looking good. So if we add text, now what were the words again? Why should I listen to my parents? Now the problem with lots of words, we shouldn't have more than 5. Oh, we're going for 7. Okay, let's see if we can do 7, but we need to do a couple of things with that. So I'm going to go with why should I listen to my parents? Now I do like, let's have a look at this parents. I do like the look of that. I don't know if I can find it because we're making it simple but crazy at the same time. What have we got here? We need to find it. Come on. Oh yeah, that's the one. Because the thing is, we don't want to make things hard to read. And that's almost on the verge. I'm going to go with the font that I like the best. Here we are. Now the thing is with text, we've got too many words on here. This is a great, intriguing title and I absolutely love it. That's looking good, but I think we can still make it better. Oh, see, there's still too many words. All right, I'm going to change something up here. Let's get this glow. I like that glow. It is now an image. Size it, we can feather it. Oh, that's not bad. Yeah, that's popping it now. Oh, these guys are cheeky. Okay. See, PIXLR is so easy. I mean, it looks like I'm fiddling a lot, but it really is easy once you know. It just makes it so much better. Okay, I don't mind that. And if we go back to here, we've got the thirds rule. So everything's in thirds. So what better thing we can do? Well, a splat. Okay, so let's just change the color a bit. Okay, I think I like that better. That's not the last thing. I even thought I could do a little bit better. What about this? What do you think? I actually think it pops more. I like it. So what does Trent and Roy think of this update? Oh, that's not so bad. Okay, go do something awesome for God, and don't forget, don't make great thumbnails. Just make them better.